Alrighty, go ahead and take a step up here for me.
I didn't see the wild flapping of the...
That's always a good sign. And then if you wouldn't mind stepping on the first one, perfect, just like that. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, make sure he's ready for us. This next platform is one of my favorites. It has the most open view. It's really pretty. Go ahead and put your left hand on the trolley.
Sorry.
Oh no, no worries. Then whenever you're ready, right hand on top of that. Take a seat. Right, here we go.
Nice job, Jen. Duck your head under to that side. Step up.
It's there somewhere, sorry.
Yeah, there you go. You're good. What do you think? Crazy, right? That's crazy.
I can't speak yet, that's why.
You can step down. No words.